Hey guys, welcome to another live lesson where we are going to continue what we started last week. And this week we are going to learn the chorus of Crazy Train. So if you are just catching up, last week we did the intro and the verse. And just to split it up a little bit because the chorus has a lot of moving parts, I decided to do the chorus this week. If you'd like a PDF to follow along, then just check below in the description and you can sign up to get last week's PDF plus all of the previous week's PDFs and this week's PDF. And so we are going to do the chorus today, and as always I'm going to do two different versions of this song. The first version is going to be an easier version. With the one today, we are using absolutely no chords, so everything is using single strings. For version 2, it's pretty much the full riff in the chorus without the solo parts in the middle. So let's get started with level 1. And if you would like to follow along, if you are a little bit more advanced, level 1 is very, very similar to level 2. The only difference today is that in a couple of parts of level 1 and in level 2, we are putting in some chords where we don't put them in level 1. So in the second part, in level 2, we're just going to add chords to a couple of things. So this is the beginning of level 2. We're going to start out with an F sharp chord, and we're really an F sharp major chord looks like this, but we're only going to worry about the E, the A, and the D string. All right, and we're going to keep our finger in this position at the beginning. So when we do that part where we go, we're going to do that with a chord now. All right, and if you're fast enough to get to the E, you can do that. So da da da. So the E chord I'm playing is just I'm moving my first finger from here to the second fret of the A string, and I'm playing these bottom two. So, but you don't have to do that necessarily. It's so fast that you can get away with just lifting this finger. All right, so, and then we're going to go to a D, but we're going to play a chord. And all we're going to do is the D string and the second fret of the G string. So, and we do that again. All right, let's try that. 1, 2, F sharp chord. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, ready again. Then we're going to play the D. Then 4, 2, then we play an A chord with the A and the second fret of the D. 4, 2, E. E chord with the second fret of the A. Then we go back to this part, the F sharp chord. D, 2, ready, start over. Then so A, 4, 2, E. Then this is A, 4, 2, E, 2, 4, D, E. All right, let's go over the whole thing again. So if you notice, the two parts are really, really, really similar. So starting with the F sharp chord, and if you don't know that, all I'm doing is my first finger all the way across the second fret, but I'm only really worried about the top 3 strings. So first finger all the way across the frets. Third finger is on the 4th fret of the A. Fourth finger is on the 4th fret of the D, and it sounds like this. And then we're just going to go. All right, so let's go through the whole thing. And then this is the D chord that I'm talking about. This is the A chord. So, and then E chord. So as you can see, those are really easy chords. D, A, and E. But just make sure your pick is accurate and you're only hitting those 2 strings. So right here, I'm doing D and G, A and D, then E and A. All right, let's do the whole thing. 1, 2, ready, go. I messed up. 1, 2, ready, go. F. 2, 3, 4. Two, 3, and A. D, E. And that last chord that I'm playing is 2nd fret of the D string and 4th fret of the G string. I'm only playing those 2. If you find yourself hitting the B string, you can stretch your pinky out, and that's the full chord. All right, so one more time up to speed from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, and 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. 2, ready, and then you just go back in. Alright guys, if you like that video, grab the PDF below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and this is up on YouTube and Facebook right now. If you'd like to catch the replay is going to be on Instagram, hopefully, if I can get it up, by 3 o'clock. So there'll be a replay of this if you'd like to watch it again. And so subscribe to my YouTube channel. and just follow me on Instagram and you'll get a lot more videos. See you next time, guys.